This is another application of the kinds of embedded computing systems that we've developed. This particular system also uses a Thermite tactical visual computer, but it's a training system for soldiers. And in particular, it's a man-wearable system for training dismounted infantry. And that's a problem that's never been doable before, simply because you can never pack the right kind of immersive computing technology into a man-wearable system. With the advent of mobile workstations and notebook computers with advanced CPUs and graphics technologies, we've been able to package a system that actually supports this now for soldier training. So we took a Thermite computer and combined it with sensors for the body, the leg, and also the head, so tracking systems that can tell the software where the soldier is. We've also instrumented a training weapon with a wireless controller that also controls their movement in the scene as well as the weapon itself, and combine that into a package that supports dismounted infantry training in an immersive world, a virtual world. So the system consists of a squad kit, 9 of these expedition systems that all work together to provide an immersive environment that's equivalent to what you would find in a training facility like at Fort Benning. So here you can see the soldiers putting the rigs on, a squad of soldiers putting the rigs on, getting ready to conduct a scenario. And so the beauty of this system is that they can use this anywhere, in an armory, a school, a gymnasium, a church. They can train anywhere. So now they've got the system on. You can see here they are in the training facility in the real world, and now you can see what they see in the virtual world. So they're going to practice clearing a building that actually exists at Fort Benning. And so before they go to Fort Benning to actually conduct the scenario, they can practice it. And you can see that that they're communicating with each other, and that what they're trying to do is develop a better collective work capability so they can work together as a team. So this sensor tracks the soldier's head. There's a sensor on the body and a sensor on their leg as well in a pouch that you can't see here. These 3 sensors all interface to the computer and provide basically X, Y, and Z coordinates in real time to the software that runs on the computer. And there's also a sensor in the gun here built into this controller that tells the software where the gun is pointed and what's going on. So it's like a video game in that respect, except now you have real sensors on the soldier, and each soldier in the simulation has the same set of sensors. And you can have multiple squads working together. So you can have, in essence, 18 or 27 or however many soldiers you want to, all working collectively. Each of them have all their position data recorded in real time, so they all know where each other are. There's not GPS in this system because it's typically in one area. But you do have to register the system to the location. So when they start the scenario up, the software knows where each of these guys are, and then it goes from there, so it's all relative from there. These are inertial and magnetic. These are built by a company called Intersense, which is a good partner of ours that we use for the sensor technology. The HMD is a product that we've developed using optics from a company called Imagine. So we've acted as the integrator of this system, once again using like Blackhawk vests, etc., Honeywell batteries, and the whole system works as an assembly that the government's now using for this training application.